Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Medaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your Microsoft account login is crashing when you're attempting to sign in into your Microsoft account on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung WS reset. And then click mo lang dito yung open. So these procedures are going to be basically resetting the Microsoft Store back to default. So yan po yung ibig sabihin kaya yung WS reset. So binak natin dito sa default. Okay? And hope na na-resolve yung issue once na na-open na tong Microsoft Store. But if the issue is still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc/scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verifications phase of system scan. So, kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And then, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So, ang next step ay close lang natin tong CMD. And then, dito lang sa start menu, kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Microsoft account, login, and Windows crashing. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.